Tempering can be intimidating, but I'm going to show you how easy it is and share my recipe of my coffee shortbread biscuits I'm tempering on the induction cooktop. I have ganache that I'm going to pipe onto each biscuit. I'm piping in a shell pattern, following the petals of the flower. Place the tops on, these then chill in the fridge for 30 minutes. I'm going to show you how to temper chocolate on the induction cooktop. It's probably the simplest and fastest method of tempering. We use the induction cooktop on a low setting. We're going to stir the chocolate until we've got half liquid, half solid chocolate. The beauty of the Miele induction cooktop is their precise and gentle temperature control, which is perfect when tempering chocolate. Once the chocolate is 50% liquid, immediately transfer it to a bowl and then we stir it vigorously. After all the buttons are melted, your chocolate should be tempered. Place the dark chocolate into the bag and pipe a grid pattern on top of the white chocolate. Take the chilled biscuits and dip them in on the surface and then flip it over. Don't dip in the same spot twice, so find a new area where you haven't dipped and dip again. I've showed you how easy tempering can be. Now there's no reason why you can't create these delicious chocolate coffee biscuits.